Hi everyone, thanks so much for tuning back in. I am so excited to do a life update, a Fabfitfun unboxing, and just generally chat with you guys. I am so excited to catch up. So if you're interested in any of that, then please keep watching and thanks for tuning in. I have one of the girls in the background, so I apologize in advance for whatever is about to partake. But I just got a haircut. If you live in the Florida South area, I live in West Palm Beach, and Chroma in downtown West Palm Beach is amazing. Marissa nailed it like the second I walked in. I've never been there before, and just amazing COVID friendly experience. So just wanted to share that for anyone in the area. But I'm super happy to have gotten a haircut. First one since COVID. It's been forever, but real happy with it. So I'm excited to share my Fabfitfun with you. Before I do that, I wanted to let you guys know why I haven't posted in so long. So Ben and I have some super exciting news. We are going to be moving again. So I have been given a promotion. For those of you that don't know, I work for Aspen Dental, and I'm so excited. So we'll be moving into the Florida East area, so I'll have a territory and we're relocating. So we've been traveling up there on the weekends, trying to find a home, trying to find, if we want to rent or buy. If you have any advice on renting or buying, please feel free to leave it in the comments. But we're excited. The area that we'll be in is Melbourne over to Orlando, up to Gainesville, over to St. Augustine. And so we can essentially live anywhere in there. So if you know any of the cities there and you have any kind of feelings towards it, then please comment down below and let us know. But aside from that, that's why I haven't been posting as much as usual. So I think I'm gonna have to drop down from 3 times a week to 2, because I can just barely make 1 a week right now until we get settled. So for right now, I have a whole bunch of videos I'm gonna have coming at you. Because I'm so far behind, I'm just gonna batch film and crank this stuff out. So let's dig into some Fabfitfun. This is a really big box, you guys. Really big. So big I can't even lift it. It's huge. So I definitely picked up some Christmas goodies and things like that. So in the next few videos, I've gotten a lot of things and I'm just really behind on my videos, but also some of these are Christmas presents, so just keep that in mind. I did pick up some Christmas goodies. Yay! So I got this, guess I don't know if I should share this because it's a Christmas present, so I'm probably not going to. Just in case that person's watching. Not gonna share. Okay, so something I did pick up for myself. So I know all of us are living that mask life, and maskne is a real deal. But I've been really good about going through my skincare products, and so I'm really running low on face masks actually. Like the sheet masks, and I had heard really good things about this brand. So this is the Tula Skincare Star Bright Nourishing and Brightening Face Mask, the probiotics and superfoods. So you get a baggie of them. There's 3 of these in here, but I've heard really great things about Tula Skincare, and they were on sale. So super excited to pick those up. I got some Bauble Bar Sprout Button Stud earrings. So these were in the winter sale, but the other Bauble Bar earrings that I have are kind of like I forget what it's called when it's like a long piece, but it only goes into one of the ear holes. But I love the Bauble Bar quality of earrings. I think they're super sparkly. They look amazing. They catch the light. So I definitely wanted to pick these up. I think they were $11, maybe 14 tops. So yeah, those are some of the items I picked up for myself. And like I said, I got some goodies for other people, so I can't really share that on camera. Also in this box is the Winter Fabfitfun. So it's another box. It's real cute. It's just heavy. Here it is. Real cute Winter Wonderland themed. It doesn't even remotely feel like winter here. Although I can tell that my blood is thinning out because it was 80 degrees today and I was like, oh, Burr, it's chilly. So Mom, I completely understand what you're talking about when it's like 70 degrees and you're freezing. So I get it. Winter in Florida is a different animal, but that's kind of something I think Ben's excited about with moving north a little bit, is how we're gonna have a little bit of a variety of season changes. So he's excited about it. Oh, cute. It came with a little sticker this time. Fabfitfun. Why not advertise for them, right? Okay, let's see. Lots of paper flyers this time. You know, there's always the HelloFresh discounts, so I will give that to a friend. Lots of HBO papers. It looks like little flyers for Nourish. So kind of a mixture of those items. Then we have our Fabfitfun Katie Couric Telling the Untold Stories magazine. So I never read these on camera because I want to be surprised as I'm opening this stuff. So we'll save that. All right. All kinds of goodies in this one. So it's tough for me to pick winter items just because it is so warm down in Florida. It doesn't always feel like winter, but you know, I still want to have fun in the winter sun. Is that a thing? I don't know. So one of the items that one of my friends recommended, I think it was Eileen, I can't remember, but there's this unhide blanket. So it's for love, not fur, but this feels amazing. It says it's fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh, and faux. It is a blanket. It's pretty heavy, but it feels super soft even through the plastic. It's made in China. It's a petite blanket in silver. So I'm excited. I think the cats are going to love this, but I'm just excited to have like a snuggly blanket because even though it's Florida, I still like to curl up with a blanket, especially these really soft ones. This is pretty cute. Probably couldn't hear that. I said this is pretty cute. So I got a set of 3 hair scrunchies. So they're from Noir, but they're all animal print. So I'm definitely a cat lady. So I'm excited to tie my hair up with those because they're all cat print, cheetah print, that kind of stuff. And then I also got this Layla Sadoui, LaylaSadoui.com. It's the brand. I'm not sure. But I got this headband. These have been super all the rage popular. I feel like Anthropology has a lot of these. Not sure about this color, but let's see how it does, shall we? With the new do. Oh, I feel very Blair Waldorf from Gossip Girl. So that is pretty stinking cute. I will have to play around with this. I'm going to wear it because it's very festive. I do like the color. I think it's very holiday season-esque. Keeping it on. So they sent me a Kind bar. I'm assuming this is just like a free, not actually one of my gifts, I'm hoping. Because that is a dark chocolate sea salt Kind bar, which I hope is just a free sample, because if it is one of my things, I'm gonna be upset. So this is one of the items I got to pick. So it is the Butanique Beauty Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. So I use eye gels all the time. If you haven't watched my last Fabfitfun, I will link it up above and down below. But I got these black eye gels that I've been using, and I love them. I do. I wear them for like 15 minutes in the morning. I think they do an amazing job. So I use eye gels almost every day when I have them. So I'm excited to have picked one of these. It's ideal for tired and overworked eyes that seen too many late nights. It brightens, hydrates, and depuffs. Its main ingredients are cucumber, rose extract, green tea, and hyaluronic acid. So I'm trying to figure out if my skin really likes hyaluronic acid. I don't think it does, but for eye patches, I don't tend to get like super breakouty under here, so these will be fine, I think. Well, it's another kind of eye moment. I assume I picked this as well. So this is Tula brand as well. This is Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling Brightening Eye Balm. So here is the cute little packaging here. I was almost hoping that was Sand and Sky because it's pink, and I was hoping maybe it was them. I remember I did pick this. So this is a little stick, but I think you just rub it under your eyes. Apply around the eyes for instant cooling and a rose glow. Under eye and over makeup as needed throughout the day. Instant pick-me-up. I mean, why not? Let's try it, right? Oh yeah, that's definitely cooling. Oh yeah, that feels really good. Well, they're not lying about the cooling. That feels amazing. I feel like it's something you want to take in your purse with you. So Mama Stanky, if you got this, you let me know down below, because I can't remember if we picked this for you or not, but it is really good. So I hope we did. This looks like one of the ones that they just like give everyone. So this is the Wish Vanilla Bean Lip Scrub. It gently exfoliates, smooths, and softens. So it's brown sugar, raspberry seed, and bamboo powder to exfoliate. Oh yeah, that smells amazing. I don't know why I was holding it up to you as though you're gonna smell it. Yeah, but it smells just like vanilla. So I'm interested to see how this does, especially with some of the, I picked up in my Rouge haul, which I'll tag up above, I picked up the Christmas Snuggles and Melted Kisses. This is the Too Faced collection, but these matte lipsticks are amazing, but they are quite drying. So I'm excited to get this scrub because I think it will help with kind of how your lips feel after like a drying matte lipstick. But those lipsticks do not transfer onto my mask, so I think they're amazing. So I will totally exfoliate if it means I get to wear lipstick. Okay, this is the London Town Get Well Nail Recovery. This is super cute little packaging here, but it's healthier looking nails just 1 week away. My nails get very brittle. I don't really love milk except in ice cream, so this is just like a clear coat, it looks like, but I think you just place it under your nail polish. Let's see. Apply 1 coat on bare nails, allow it to dry twice a week for best results. Use it as a base coat. Cool. Super easy. Totally gonna do that tonight when I do my nails because they tend to break. Last but certainly not least is one of the items I did pick up. So they had some things for winter this month for like robes and things like that I just like, I don't need any more robes. And not that I really need this, but I am excited to see if I can take it with me when I travel. So this is the Touch Highlight LED Makeup Mirror. It's by Impressions Vanity, and it's a high definition distortion-free makeup mirror. Tilts up and down to capture your perfect angle. It is a soft touch sensor dimmer switch. It has long-lasting daylight LED lights, dual power source, so you can plug it in or do battery. And it has the USB cable, so it connects to my computer if I want to charge it, and instruction manual, batteries, and a mirror that comes with it. So excited to try this puppy out and see if it's good for travel. Well, that is it for this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed my Fabfitfun stash. It's definitely getting into the holidays, so I hope you all are celebrating in your own way, decorating, not decorating, creating memories, social distancing, doing Zoom calls, whatever that looks like for you. But I can definitely feel the holiday spirit, even though it is a different kind of year for us. And like I said, lots of big changes coming up for Ben and I, which we're super, super excited about. I'll be very sad to leave you know, friends and teams down here, but I'm so excited to meet my new teams, my new friends. So, you know, everything happens for a reason, and like I tell everyone, we're not dying. We will stay in touch. So thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new, please subscribe. Welcome to the family. We are doing a giveaway in just a few weeks, just in time for the holidays. So yeah, I hope you had fun. Give it a thumbs up, do the thing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.